Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here fishing in my nephew's pond. I'm using a blue and black jig. And I just got casted out here. So I'm sitting here jigging around, waiting for some bites. Oh, there's one. There's a small one. He ain't big. Hold on. Yep, there's one. Small one. He ain't fighting very hard. Oh, there he is, guys. Woo, floppy buddy. Blew him back. Jig. It's probably what they're hitting on. I know there's fish in here. Told you. I just put him back in the water. I'm gonna cast over here again if I can't get another one. It's been really hot, guys, lately. Just a little bank fishing. Comment below. Tell me what you would prefer, bank fishing or boat fishing. Me, preferably, I like both. I think I like bank fishing a little bit better. But the only good thing about boat fishing is you can get to places where you can't get with on bank. Well, I'm probably going to be out here fishing alone by myself for a few days. My nephew, he's going on a trip to Stoughton or whatever to go see his family. And so, yeah. So it'll just be me and you guys here. That's about it. Here's the next place we're at, guys. Still throwing that jig with a light tournament series trailer. So we're going to see if we can hook up on a nice one right here. Might be able to. No luck here, guys. So I'm walking over here to this other spot. Alright guys, I'm back. I want to fish this jig along this bank right here. I may throw it out there some. I don't know. We're going to see if we can get one. Well guys, I may have to cut it short because I'm not getting any more bites. just got bit by something. Flipping horseflies are biting. Well guys, I'm just gonna cut it short. Now we didn't exactly catch a lot of fish, but at least I caught some. If you guys like my videos, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.